Hi, welcome back to Astec. My name is Aaron Schoolfield. We have Ted Glassmeyer here, who's been with us for over 40 years. And we want to talk to you about something that's really important to us that we spend a lot of time on to make sure that we deliver the right solution, and that's burner retrofits. So Ted, where should a customer or a contractor start before they even pick up the phone on trying to replace their burner?
Well, I would suspect they need to understand why they need to replace it. What's the reason behind it? Is the burner to the point where it's falling down and no longer parts available for it? Is it just not performing efficiently? Or what's the reason you think you need to change this burner and then move on from that step?
Is that because it might not be the burner that's the problem if there is, is that what
that is a possibility. I mean, somebody might think it's a burner problem, but it could be a baghouse problem, could be a controls issue, could be a numerous number of things other than just the burner.
Yeah. So let's say you've determined why, and you still need a burner.
Right.
So once you get there, what are some of the first things you're doing out at the burner? What are you looking for?
Well, I'm gonna look around the burner, I'm gonna look at the drum, I'm gonna look at the framework. I wanna make sure whatever I get, my frame, my drum is gonna be, compatible to. So I'm looking at that. Am I running oil? Am I running gas? Do I need oil? Do I need gas? Do I need LP? I'm gonna think about all these things while I'm looking at my, my burner, my plant, and just move on from that point.
Yes, because it's not just the burner. Like right here, what do we have right here?
Right here, you've got a Fisher 1098 3-inch regulator, which can be part of a burner retrofit application. We can supply the gas regulator and mount it to where it operates your burner and keeps the pressure controlled properly.
And then what about like on the drum or the baghouse? When do you start looking at those things?
Well, the drum needs to be looked at initially, just like your frame and the front of the drum where your burner shoved through. If you got an open fire burner, you're going to have to realize that an open fire burner is a less efficient unit, so you're going to have some drum modifications to take a 100% air burner, right? Now you're looking at your drum. Look at the internal portion of your drum. What do your flights look like? How much combustion flighting do you actually have? What about your veiling flights? Are they sufficient? Are they adequate? And then on through your airflow system, your ductwork, your baghouse. Is there problems? Is there leakage with all that associated with, the airflow system, which can cause one of your burners, even if it's an old antique burner, a problem?
What about permitting? Would permitting be something that you need to look at before you consider getting a new burner?
Definitely, because if you take an old burner out, you're not going to be grandfathered anymore. So you have to look at what is your local EPA or DEP administration, what do they require? Are you going to have a low NOx burner, or are you going to have a burner that just performs within certain range of COs and NOx?
So it's easily said that when it comes to burner retrofits, you don't just start with the burner.
No.
And here at Astec, we can help by whether it's from a permitting standpoint, to make sure that it's not something else on the plant. You can call us and we can help troubleshoot if there are any problems. We also have services where we can help look at the energy efficiency from going from an open flame to a total air burner. Mm-hmm. We offer all that support when it comes to retrofits, and that's something that you need to consider when it comes time to change your burner. All these factors need to be reevaluated together as a system. For more information, go to our website or get a hold of your local parts rep.
Or your service guy, your friendly neighborhood service guy.
Or your parts rep.
Or your parts rep.
No.
So easy a parts rep can do it.